Hey friends, would you love to know how to use the embossing folders in your collection and create an even more dimensional effect with them? That's right, you don't have to have any extra tools or supplies. You can use the embossing folders you already have and get an even more impressive effect with them with today's tip. Let's take a look at it. Here's a piece of cardstock I embossed with my Ladybug embossing folder. I just love this embossing folder. Here are several cards I've created with it recently. But this is what it looks like with the typical emboss without doing the tip that I am going to share with you right now. Now, after I did the tip I'm going to share, I want to show this one right here, and it may be hard to tell. This one isn't quite as dramatic of an effect of the next one I'm going to share with you, but this one definitely does have more of an embossed image, a deeper and more detailed embossed image. You may be able to tell if you look at the dots on the ladybugs. They're definitely more obvious, more clear on this one than this one. So let me show you how to do that. What you are going to do before you send your paper through your machine is spritz it with a bit of water. Here's one of my water spritzers. I really like these because they create a really fine mist of water that's spread out nicely, and it's not going to create warps on any particular spot in my cardstock. For a piece of cardstock about this size, I'd probably spritz about 6 or 7 times, but you can play around with this, how much you want to spritz to get the effect that you have desired. I want to show you another one of what I did. This is probably my favorite embossing folder at the moment. Sunflowers. I've created some really neat and unique cards with this in some of my tutorials. If you go to my website or my YouTube and search for that. But let's take a look at what it looked like after I sent that through with the spritzed water. I'll bring in this other one and see if you can tell the difference. It may be a little bit hard in the video, but I believe that you can probably see that. So super quick and easy technique you can try without any new supplies and get an even more amazing effect with your embossing folders. I love to share tips and tricks to make your crafting simpler, easier, less expensive, and just more fun. Don't miss out on any of my future tip videos. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the little bell so you get notifications each time I release a new video. Thank you, friends. Please like and comment. That helps others find my videos. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you will be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.